The red spider lily, commonly known as the death flower or corpse flower, holds significant cultural associations with death and loss, particularly in East Asia. These striking blooms are often planted in graveyards to deter animals and are believed to symbolize significant endings, such as separation from loved ones. In Japan, where they are called higanbana, they bloom during the autumn equinox, coinciding with rituals honoring the deceased. Folklore suggests they grow in hell, guiding spirits to the afterlife, and their bright red color resembles blood, reinforcing their connections to mortality. Despite their somber symbolism, red spider lilies can also represent rebirth and transformation in the context of reincarnation. In various media, including anime, these flowers often foreshadow death or significant change for characters. While red spider lilies are predominantly linked to negative connotations, other spider lily colors symbolize positivity and joy, highlighting the diverse meanings flowers can carry across cultures.